To add products or designs to a page, it's as simple as coming over to Pages, select the page you want to edit, then come over to Widgets, and then you're going to want to choose to list either blank products, pre-decorated products, or designs, or categories of one of those three. So if I want to list blank items, I could come to blank product listing, drag and drop it onto the page, and that's going to allow me to list blank products. Then I could come into the design section, choose, okay, do you want to show the name? How big do you want the image to be? Do you want to show the price? Do you want to show available colors? Do you want to show that automatically? Do you want to do it when the customer hovers? What shape do you want it in? There's all types of settings that can easily be quickly configured, and it's going to be the same for whether it's a blank product or a pre-decorated product for the most part. So if I come into Widgets, decorated product listing, it's going to be a lot of the same. Okay, how big do you want the image to be? Do you want to show the name, the price, the colors, all that stuff? When it comes to designs, it's obviously going to be a little different. We're going to show designs. The customer selects a design, and then they are asked to choose a product from there. What you can also do, again, is display a category. So I could come here to blank product categories, and instead of doing a design itself, I can show categories, and I could show the name of the categories, for example. So the customer could select one of these categories, then the customer is going to choose a product from within it. Same thing if it was a pre-decorated product. So coming back to Widgets, I could do the same thing if it was pre-decorated or a design category. Customer can shop first by category, then choose a design, and then a product. One of the most overlooked cool ways to list products is to do a design listing or a product listing. So I can list blank product categories, and I could do the same thing with pre-decorated designs. But what's very powerful to remember is the ability to display categories as tabs. So we'll do a blank product listing, display categories as tabs, which will allow us to select each category we want to display, or we could do a group listing and have it be our primary categories. So what does that do exactly? Well, it's going to allow the customer to select a category and change what products they see without leaving the page. It's a very powerful tool. It's much easier to do this versus take the customer to a different page. This is how we can show a lot of designs, blank or pre-decorated products without overwhelming our customer, and it works great on every size device. Customer's going to choose that product and then start designing, or choose their size, color, or do one of those other things depending if it's a design, blank, or pre-decorated item. If you have any questions on how to list blank, pre-decorated, or designs and or categories, simply visit DecoNetwork's resources and or our YouTube channel. Thank you.